How to create playlist on YouTube channel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Go to your videos and click on the video you want to add to playlist. At the right side, click on three dots. Then click on Save to Playlist. You'll find all these options pop up. Click on New Playlist at the bottom. Then choose a title for your new playlist. You can also select visibility, which is private, public, or unlisted. I want to do it public. Now click on Create. Your playlist has been created. After that, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Go to View Your Channel. In your channel, at the top, you will find Customize Channel. Click on it. Then go to Home tab in Channel Customization and then click on Add Section. After that, click on Single Playlist in here. Then select the playlist you just created. After that, at the bottom, you can simply move the playlist in any order you want. After that, click on View Channel at the top right corner of your screen and you'll be able to see your channel in there. You'll be able to see your playlist. And this is how to create playlist on YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.